chapter, we'll discuss the case of parabola in detail. The eccentricity of a parabola is 1. This means that parabola is the locus of a point whose perpendicular distance from the fixed point focus is equal to its perpendicular distance from the fixed line directrix. Here is a parabola with the focus at A0 and the line x plus a equal to 0 as a directrix. Since the eccentricity of parabola is 1, we have PS is equal to PM for any point P on the parabola. Using this relation and simplifying, we get the equation of the parabola as y square is equal to 4ax. This is the equation of a parabola with focus A0 and directrix x plus a equal to 0. This will be our standard parabola for deriving relations and properties. We'll now see some important elements and terminologies related to a parabola using a standard parabola. Axis of the parabola is the line which passes through the focus and is perpendicular to the directrix. As you can see, the axis of the parabola y square equal to 4ax is the x-axis. It passes through the focus A0 and is perpendicular to the line x plus a equal to 0. Here, the axis cuts the parabola at origin. This point is known as the vertex of the parabola y square equal to 4ax. Note that vertex is the midpoint of the focus and the point of intersection of directrix and axis. If we consider any point P on the parabola, the distance of P from the focus is called the focal distance. That's pretty obvious from the name itself. Also, we can draw infinite number of chords passing through this point P, but only one of these chords will pass through the focus. A chord which passes through the focus is called the focal chord. We can also see that some chords are perpendicular to the axis. Such chords are known as double ordinates. Out of the infinite double ordinates possible, only one of them passes through the focus. This special chord is known as the lattice rectum of the parabola. Now, why is this so special? Because the length of this serves as a metric to compare how wide the parabola is. We can easily calculate the endpoints of lattice rectum since x coordinate is same as that of focus. Here, a to a and a minus 2a are the endpoints of the lattice rectum. Therefore, the length of the lattice rectum is 4a. We say two parabolas are equal if they have the same lattice rectum. This is all about the parabola y square equal to 4ax.
For more videos and live lectures on the JEE, click on the subscribe button now.